Kimchi is a fermented dish from traditional Korea prepared with seasoned vegetables, typically radishes and cabbage. It's a wholesome addition to your diet because it's full of probiotics, vitamins, and minerals. Here are a few important benefits of eating kimchi. 1. Probiotic richness. Probiotic bacteria found in kimchi are very useful and help maintain a healthy gut flora. These microbes can strengthen the immune system and facilitate digestion. 2. Nutrient density. It's loaded with minerals like calcium and iron, as well as vital elements like vitamins A and C. They support the immune system and general wellness. 3. Cancer-fighting properties. Because of its high antioxidant content, several studies indicate that the active ingredients in kimchi may have anti-cancer properties. 4. Weight management. While kimchi is high in fiber and low in calories, it can help you feel content and full, which may help you manage your weight. 5. Anti-inflammatory effects. Kimchi's blend of garlic, ginger, and chili pepper has anti-inflammatory properties that may be helpful in the treatment of chronic illnesses. 6. Heart health. Because it contains fiber and other healthy nutrients, kimchi may help decrease cholesterol levels. 7. Skin health. Antioxidants included in kimchi may help promote cleaner, healthier skin. Particularly, vitamin C can support the formation of collagen. 8. Improved mental health. According to recent studies, kimchi supports a healthy gut flora, which may even mitigate the symptoms of anxiety and depression. 9. Immune support. Kimchi's strong vitamin C content helps support your immune system and help your body fight off infection. 10. Fermented food benefits. Reduced inflammation, better digestion, and increased nutrient absorption have all been linked to fermented foods like kimchi. Even though kimchi has a lot of health advantages, it's still vital to eat it in moderation as part of a balanced diet.